Most of us spend our lives lost inside our head, thinking without even realizing that we are thinking. When we don't see the thought, the mind pulls us from one pit to another pit. We spend years trying to escape the suffering without noticing what keeps throwing us back in. When you see the thought and when awareness is present, you become cautious. You stop blindly falling into every thought. In other words, you stop blindly falling into every pit. And even if you fall, you no longer stay stuck there. You do not need to stop thinking. You simply need to see the thought, because seeing the thought is the beginning of freedom.